Hello, how are you today? I'm going to cook liver. I'm going to roast liver today. Before I start roasting liver, I greet you this evening. It's evening in Arizona. Please subscribe to my channel. I thank you because you keep on coming to watch my channel. Please subscribe. Take me to 500. So liver here is it's rare. At times you get it in Walmart, but I went buying in Food City. So what I'm going to do is to remove from the fridge. I defrost and then I dry and mix flour with seasoning. But the main seasoning here is salt. Yeah, I like the taste of salt. And then I mix with flour. Leave it for a while. And then I light the jiko and roast my liver. So let us go together, light the jiko, then we continue from there. So this is my jiko for roasting. I'm going to light it. I'm going to put chocolate. I'm going to put enough. I think that's enough. Then I use the matchbox. I prefer using the matchbox and the matchsticks to strike in light. So it's catching fire. Which color of fire is that? Is that brown? Yes, let me give it time. So as I wait for the charcoal to burn, it's supposed to turn red, and my liver is soaking in the flour. I can show you my kitchen garden. Here I have this box. I want to use it to plant. I'll put fertilizer there and plant some seeds and keep it there. So I have the seedlings of parsley here. It's growing. I planted in the same box with mint. Mint has not yet germinated yet. You can see that side. The mint is not germinated. So I did plant it on a box. My grandson was around, forgot his ball here. But he also messed up with my nursery bed. And then on this side, I have fertilizer, organic fertilizer for my crops. Yeah, here. This is how my kales are doing. And my spinach, it's growing, it's doing well. I'm going to do some watering now. My djembe is over there. Hey, let me remove this. It's not good. And I've planted a chayote there. It's not doing well. You can see. Maybe it's burning, if it's lacking water, but it's not doing well. It's not the right place for chayote. Here we are with my I harvested some of these kales. Sukuma wiki, spinach. I'm gonna water my kales. It's very hot. Let's start with the lemon tree. And spinach. Spinach is growing. I harvested the other day and I enjoyed my dinner with kales. I harvested that one and this one. Harvested from down there. And this one I harvested. can see floating. There is my chayote here, but it's not doing well. I don't know if it's because of lack of water, I don't know. But it's not doing well. These are my kales. I have not harvested this side. Putting enough water. They are really ready. They need to harvest and keep in the fridge. You see, they are very ready for harvesting. And this type of kales is doing better here. I think because the leaf is wrinkled and it does not lose a lot of moisture. But this one, because the leaf is flat, it loses a lot of moisture. This is spinach. Toyota plant not doing well. So next I'm going to remove my liver. And take it out to go and roast. Put it on a chopping board and the jiko is ready to roast my liver. Okay, so here we are. Going to place my liver. And I'm now going to close the oven and leave it to cook. We can come and check later on. So the liver is ready. The roasted liver is ready. I can now remove from the fire and serve. Guys, my roasted liver is ready and it's looking yummy. I can't wait to eat it. It's crunchy, golden brown. I'm going to really enjoy it. I've not had roasted liver for so long. So guys, remember to subscribe, share, and ring the notification bell. And also like, please take me to 500. Thank you. See you in the next video.